How to start investing with just $100. No experience needed. Think you need a lot of money to start investing? Think again. With just $100, you can take your first step toward building wealth and creating the life you've always dreamed of. In today's video, I'll show you how to start investing with $100, where to put it, and why starting small is the key to long-term success. Let's face it, the hardest part of investing is starting. $100 may not seem like much, but it's enough to get your foot in the door and begin growing your money. The key is consistency, adding to your investments over time. Plus, thanks to tools like fractional shares and low-cost index funds, you don't need thousands of dollars to get started anymore. So, where should you invest that $100? One of the best options for beginners is a low-cost index fund, like the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, or FXAIX. This fund tracks the S&P 500, meaning your money gets spread across 500 of the biggest companies in the US, including giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google. It's a great way to diversify your investment without the stress of picking individual stocks. Even with just $100, you're getting a piece of the market's long-term growth. And because FXAIX has no minimum investment requirement, you can put in exactly $100 and start building wealth today. Getting started is easy. First, open an account with a trusted platform like Fidelity. It's free, and there's no minimum balance required. Next, fund your account with $100 and search for an index fund like FXAIX. From there, you just need to make your first investment. And here's the secret. It's not about how much you start with, it's about showing up consistently. Whether it's $100 a month or even less, every step you take gets you closer to financial freedom. Remember, every investor starts somewhere, and your $100 is the first step to building the future you deserve. So don't wait. Start now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and join me every day for simple, actionable investing tips. Together, we'll make investing easy and grow your wealth step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.